What's up, everybody? Remington from Impulse Creative, and today I'd like to talk to you about how to add your email signature into your Drift portal. So you have this opportunity to use email sequences and even have emails being automated and sent out from a marketing perspective. But what we want to do is make sure that your signature is accompanying these emails so that people know how to get in touch with you. In most cases, if you're using Gmail or another service, you're going to have a preset email signature that you can use, on a day-to-day. And what I'm going to show you is how to get that out of Gmail and into Drift so that you've got a very consistent email signature. So first thing to do is when you're in Drift, you're going to want to go to My Settings. You can do that by hitting your icon in the lower right. But once you get there, you will see a couple sub items here. You'll see your profile, your meetings, and then of course you'll see an area for sequences. When you go into sequences, you're going to scroll down, and of course you'll want to have your Gmail connected if you're using Gmail. You also want to make sure you have your Chrome extension connected. But when you go down to email signature, this is where we're going to spend our time today. So when you click email signature, you're going to see this section right here. And by default, there is going to be a default email signature that looks something like this. What we want to do is we want to delete that, and we're going to go right into our Gmail account settings. And if we scroll down, you'll see this is my signature right here that I use for my day-to-day email. If you click into this box, you can do Control or Command C and Command A. And then of course you go back over to Drift and you'll paste that information in. So this is going to drop in your signature as it stands from your Gmail account. Of course, this would also work with Outlook as well. You should be able to copy and paste that. And then all you have to do is press save. Upon pressing save, that's going to be in the bottom, and this would work for any merge tags that you use in any marketing sequences. And of course, it would work for any Drift for Sales email sequences that you send over. So if you have any other questions about Drift or conversational marketing, go ahead and hit me up on Twitter at RemingtonBeg. And if you would like to see some other tutorials we've done, you can go ahead and do that here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our videos, you can go ahead and do that right here. Until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.